Did you know our handwriting shows body stress? When we are in stress, our body reacts immediately. The stress is designed in such a way that whenever we are in stress, our body muscles become stiff, contract. They are ready to respond to that situation. Entire blood flow starts flowing towards our organs. When we come across something which is like a danger situation, then we are ready to fight or flight. If we are ready to fight, our entire blood flows through our muscles and in the upper body part. When we are ready to flight, the entire blood flow goes into the lower body parts. And this hormones, stress hormones, immediately activates the entire nervous system, the blood flow, the circulatory system, and everything. This stress is designed to protect us. Some stress is good, which rejuvenates us, which makes us fresh, which makes us ready to fight with the situation. But today, we are in a stressful situation more often. People take stress of every situation. It may be like fear of missing out, it may be like somebody said something to you, you have fear of failure, fear of your future, worry about your family members, worry about your health, relationships, career, financial problems. Lot of things in today's world induce stress in our body. And if we don't know how to protect ourselves, then we become victim of this entire situation and we attract a lot of negativity in our life. We don't know what to do. There are a lot of symptoms of our stress and it shows direct impact on our body. You may have headache, digestion problem, you may have a higher heart rate, your breathing becomes heavy, you start sweating, you sometimes a lot of people shiver a lot, sleep problems, body ache, mood swings, suddenly you become angry to somebody. Some people withdraw themselves from the social circle, they go into overthinking pattern. Our body, the software and the hardware is designed in such a way that the certain chemicals, hormones release when we are in a danger or stress situation. And if it's real, it's good for our health. But if we are only thinking that the there is danger outside, even if there is no harm outside, our subconscious mind doesn't understand the reality and the imagination. So it starts secreting all the hormones and the chemicals to protect, which is not required at that time. This result in a lot of psychosomatic disorders in our health, in our body. And slowly we say like, why this is happening to me? We become dependent on a lot of medicines. We always try to fight with the situation to become better day by day, and we are always in a fight and flight mode. Instead of that, what if I tell you that we can bring peace and harmony in our life just by changing our handwriting? If we practice the right strokes, our brain gets the right signal. We are ready to respond to the situation rather than reacting to it. Instead of become victim, we take the ownership, we take the charge of our life and we decide the right way to move ahead. My name is Rahul Gadkari. I'm a total wellness coach and I'm on a mission to help people so that they can live happy, healthy and prosperous life. I am a certified handwriting analyst and a master practitioner of graphotherapy. Handwriting changes directly impact our personality, our emotional state, and graphotherapy helps us to do that in a very short period of time. By now, if you are practicing a lot of things but it is not giving result, that means your subconscious mind is not programmed properly. And change in handwriting, if we practice the right strokes, this becomes very fast process. You will get results just like that, and that is my personal experience. Lot of people always do this mistake. They just try to fight with the situation instead of accepting, instead of understanding what is happening. They just try to react the situation. If we are calm and composed, if we have harmony in our life, we are ready to take right and better decisions. When our body and mind in synchronization, that's when we take the perfect decisions. We get the right alignment with people, we attract many opportunities in our life, we get the right signals, right intuitions whenever we are in trouble. We cannot avoid negative situations, we cannot avoid trouble in our life, but we can take the charge and we can decide how to respond to this situation, how to deal with that situation. This is exactly what graphotherapy does. It rewrites your subconscious mind, it releases, it heals your past trauma, your past programming. It supports to build a better personality. I want you to check your handwriting. If you have not written in recent times, just write few sentences and check whether you are writing with a heavy pressure. As I said, our body reacts to the stress levels, right? So that is seen in our handwriting, and whenever we are in stress, we write with a very heavy pressure. So I want you to follow these simple steps which will quickly help you to come out of that stressful situation. Just sit at one place and focus on your breathing. Take couple of deep breaths. This will signal your subconscious mind that it has to calm down. Just focus on your thoughts, what exactly you are going through. Don't overanalyze the situation, but understand the situation the way it is. Don't judge anything. And then take a pen and paper, write the thought, powerful thought or supporting thought, positive thought on the paper. And when you are writing, just focus on your pressure. Consciously reduce your pressure while writing. This will immediately boost your thought process and you will be able to come out of that situation. Something will struck you, something you will get in your subconscious mind and you will get the solution. Yes, when we are in a calm and composed state, we get better decisions, better intuitions. Try this and share your comments in the comment section below. I want your response below this video. Writing is a quick solution to change your mental state. So let's write together. So today's affirmation is I welcome peace and harmony in my life. Now, if you see here, the way the pressure is consistent, not too heavy, and if you want to check if you have heavy pressure, just check at the back side of the paper. If you feel too much impression on the back side, that means you have a heavy pressure and you just have to reduce that. Check your upper zones and lower zones. It should be exactly the way written here, and the middle zone should be consistent. Now let's understand how to write letters. So today's letter is letter H. Sometimes we have to go to basics, and I am sharing this experience of writing letters in a specific way so that you can get quick results. So how you will write H? The way you will write H is this. You have to start from below, go up, form a circle at the top. That's it. Okay, so this is your baseline. You can purchase a 4-line notebook because we are starting from the basics here. I want you to write your letter H. This will reduce your stress level, bring harmony. Your thought process will be consistent. Avoid writing H like this or like this, which has a sharp corner at the top. Okay, I want you to practice this. Write this one full page of your 4-line notebook. See the change, see the transformation in you, and share your comments in the comment section below. If you are ready to understand more and want to go deeper in this, please register yourself at www.rahulgadkari.com/free and connect with me. If you are watching this for the very first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share your results, comment in the comment section below. Let's spread this awareness of graphotherapy and graphology, which will help us to bring harmony, bring peace, bring growth, bring health, happiness, and prosperity in our life. Thank you so much. Have a great day.